How to change Google Chrome avatar to a custom picture. Now, in order for us to get this done, let's first go ahead and upload an image here in our Google account. I'm gonna go ahead and click manage your Google account. We're aiming to changing this picture here, the same thing with our Google account. So I'm gonna click this one over here, add profile picture, and upload from my computer, just like so. And then I'm gonna choose my image. Now, say for example, this is the image that I'm going to be using right here. I'm going to save this as my profile picture. And then afterwards, let's go back to google.com. And then what we're going to do is just try to check if it is here. So, yep. Now that it's here, we're going to click this. We're going to click sync is on. And then we're just going to go ahead and basically turn this off. So what it does is basically it logs out our email. And then I'm going to go ahead and click sign in once again. So go ahead and type here your password and then click the next button right here. And there you go. So as you can see, we are now able to get this done. And that, everybody, is how you're going to change Google Chrome avatar to a custom picture.